I'll show you how to convert BNB to Bitcoin in Trust Wallet. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. First thing you're going to do is open up and log into your Trust Wallet app. After you've logged in, you're going to go right down here to the bottom. You'll see a few options. You'll see Home, Trading, Swap, Earn, and Discover. We're going to go right over here and tap on Swap. Right here on the From section, we're going to make sure we select BNB since we want to convert BNB to Bitcoin. If it's not already selected, just tap on this arrow right next to it. Right here at the top, make sure you select the BNB Smart Chain and select BNB. And right here on the To section, if Bitcoin isn't already selected, you just tap on the arrow right here. And we're going to select Bitcoin out of this list. If you cannot find it in the list, you could simply search for it right here at the top and tap on Bitcoin. Now we're going to enter in the amount of BNB we want to convert into BTC. And this is how much worth of BTC you'll get. And this is the fee you're going to pay. You're going to go right over here, tap on Continue, confirm the transaction on the next page. And that's how to convert BNB to Bitcoin in Trust Wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.